holmarc's load cell display unit is an advanced tool designed to measure and show weight accurately. It converts mechanical force into electrical signals, ensuring reliable weight readings for various industrial uses. The lineup includes the HO-LDU-20N and the HO-LDU-5KN models. The HO-LDU-20N can measure up to 20 Newton with a fine resolution of 0.1 Newton. The HO-LDU-5KN is designed for heavier loads, with a capacity of 5,000 newtons and a resolution of 1 Newton. Both models have a clear 2-line, 16-character LCD display and require a 230-volt power supply, making them easy to use. These units work by using strain gauge technology. When force is applied, the load cell slightly deforms, and this change is turned into an electrical signal, allowing for precise measurements. They are ideal for applications in manufacturing, quality control, logistics, and material handling, where accurate weight measurements are essential for efficiency and safety. holmarc's load cell display unit. holmarc manufactures a wide range of scientific instruments and devices for manufacturing, research, and education. Visit us at www.holmarc.com and contact us at sales@holmarc.com. Order your products now.